light night in the high school softball docket. Southview entertaining start. Spartans up 3-0 in the second, looking for more. Runners on the corners for 𝗦𝗽cie𝗿𝘀 hits a sinking liner to right. Looks like it's trouble. 𝗦𝗽cie Whitman comes in, makes the diving catch to keep it a 3-run game. Whitman would then trigger a Southview rally in the home half. Cougars down just one for Lainey King. Base hit up the middle, drives in 𝗦𝗫cie 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁𝗹𝘆, ties the game at 3, and Cougars just getting started. Later in the second, 2 on for Kristen Dueling. Fly ball in the right over the outfielder's head. King and Terrace Barbo score on the double. It's a 5-3 lead for the home team. And then 2 batters later, 2 on for Emma Jacobs. Drives the pitch into center field. Dueling scores easily. Ashlyn Vasulik right behind her to make it a 7-3 lead. And Cougars bat around after another run scores on an error. 2 on for 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁𝗃. Deep drive to left over the fence. A 3-run homer. 15-5 the final. Spartans got a couple back, but not enough. That 11-run second inning, the difference in Southview's victory.